Can I fix the issue of colored dots on my Samsung remote?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue some of you may have encountered: colored dots appearing on your Samsung remote control. We'll go through a step-by-step guide to help you diagnose and hopefully solve the problem.
What are these colored dots?
The first thing you need to know is that the colored dots on your Samsung remote are not a design feature. They're usually indicative of a technical issue. This could be caused by a variety of factors, such as a firmware glitch, hardware malfunction, or issues with the remote's LED light.
How to diagnose the problem?
Before jumping into solutions, it's crucial to identify the root cause of the issue. 1. Check if the remote is functioning properly despite the dots. If yes, then it's likely a minor glitch. 2. Test the remote on other devices. If the issue persists, the problem is likely with the remote. 3. Finally, look closely at the remote to see if the LED light is the source of the colored dots.
Fixing the issue.
Once you've diagnosed the problem, it's time to try out these potential fixes. For minor glitches, 1. Reset the remote. Remove the batteries from the remote, wait for a few minutes, then reinsert them. This simple step often fixes minor glitches. If the remote is the issue, 1. Factory reset. Look up your specific Samsung model's manual for the factory reset instructions. This can often fix persistent issues. 2. Replacement. If the problem persists, you may need to replace the remote. If the LED light is the issue, 1. Inspection and cleaning. A dusty or dirty LED light could cause the colored dots. Carefully clean the LED light area with a soft cloth. 2. Repair or replacement. If cleaning doesn't help, the LED light might be damaged and you might need professional assistance to fix it. That wraps up our guide on how to fix the issue of colored dots on your Samsung remote. We hope you found this information helpful and it resolves your problem. Remember, if all else fails, don't hesitate to contact professional help or Samsung's customer service. The key is to diagnose accurately and apply the right solution. Happy troubleshooting!